Nope, nope, nope. You're not going to do that with me here. Well, we're down. We're taking the cows. Whoa, Thelma, don't knock the door. And what he's doing is once a week he's coming down here and taking the cows, which is range pellets or range cubes. They all know. See, they know they're in this big box. I would step out, but I'm going to get plowed down. They're all excited to get fed. He's waiting for them all to come in. But he's doing this because we're fixing to move them home in a couple of months. And by doing this, it also helps the calves wean off. Mama? I'm staying close to the truck because these gals are so excited. See, Thelma's pushing everybody out of the way. She's going to end up knocking the truck door. Whoop. They're all around me. I better get in the truck because Thelma's going to knock me down. For some reason, they all like the camera, especially Thelma. Here she comes, getting right in the truck with me. I went over to the other side just to show you how many more there were. She must think she's a movie star. She's right here. Sorry guys, I'm not getting out of the truck. They're not going to hurt me intentionally, but you see them flipping their heads around. The old farmer's over there trying to make sure they're all in. Tell me you can't get in the truck. Look at them. You love this old truck? I don't know what year it is. It's an old one. Poor things. Look at those flies. Usually they go down on the creek. Thelma wants to be the first one well, they must think they're auditioning for a movie or something. Alright guys, I had to walk away from him. Okay, he's dumping out cake from that big box there. And what he does, he just scatters it on the ground. Thank goodness, they left me alone. Well, we got a couple more scraggling along from behind. Those calves are more interested in me than they are getting any grain. Look how big some of them are. Let's see if I can find that one we worked last weekend, or 2 weekends I guess ago. And here comes a scraggler. Oh, she was happy when she figured it out. I think that's everybody. Now let's go see if we can find that calf. It'll be a black bald face, which means it'll be black with a white face, and it won't have a tag. We didn't get him tagged last weekend. We're going to do it when we bring him home. Hope you guys got better eyes than me because I don't see him yet. Oh, my little granddaughter is so cute. My son is building his cow herd up, and she's 7 now. And when they have a new calf born, she'll ask her mama, "Mama, is it a, did you watch it go potty?" And her mama's like, yeah, why? Well, did it potty from its belly or from its booty? That's how she knows if they have a bull calf or a little heifer calf. A heifer calf is, of course, female. man, I love the coloring on that one. There we go, right there. It's a red Angus. Well, I'll ask the old farmer if he knows where that little calf is. I know it's in there somewhere. Now there's a bald-faced calf down there, but that's not the one, because that one has a ear tag in. Here, they're going down towards the end of the line. We might find him. He's not very big because he was born late. Uh-oh, they're running out. You know what that means? They're going to come to the truck, and Thelma will probably be the first one to come running over here. And she'll probably get right up in my face, which means I'm backing off. I don't find him. We'll go. Oh, that might be him right there. I think it is. He's a little tyke. You can see his little head. I'm pretty sure that's him. Look, he looks great, doesn't he? Doing just fine. Yep, that's him. Playing with all of his friends. Gosh, he's gotten big since we worked him. Anyway, these calves will come home. We'll bring them home in a couple of months, and then we'll keep them up home during the winter. We bring them down here in the summer pasture. There's a creek that runs through, so it's a pretty good place. There you go, guys. You want to see all these babies? They're like, who are you people? Some of those are really good looking calves. We will sell all the steers. A steer was born a bull, and then after you cut it, castrate it, it's a steer. We will sell all the steers and keep the heifers. They're called replacement heifers. Then we'll go through and pull off any old cows that are getting really old. I'll tell you one cow that'll never get sold, and that's Thelma. And there's our little tyke right there. We must be running out. There's just enough on the ground yet. I gotta see where Thelma is, because usually she just pushes everybody out of the way. And get to these calves. Uh-oh, I am getting in the truck. They want more cake. As soon as he fired up the truck, this one come running. Because she come right up to me. Bye-bye, babies. Well, we drove over to the gate. Thought maybe they would follow us, but they're not. There must still be a little bit right there. So I guess I will get out of here before they come this way. Guys, I thought I'd show you what I was talking about when I said we're feeding them cake. These are called range cubes, and they've got, I don't know, different grains and minerals and vitamins for cattle. About like that. You just eat them up right off the ground. And we got a homemade feed box. And you open it up and drive along, and the grain goes out. Now, somehow I thought, well, I don't think nothing. I thought somehow it rotated and brought the grain out. I'm sure it does, but who knows? Oh, it does. I was going to say, I see the motor over there, and it's hooked to there's a motor back in there, and it's hooked to I think, the battery on the pickup. Been a long time. Anyway, that starts, and you drive along, and it just runs it out on the ground. So, now, when you hear people talk about caking their cows, that's what they're talking about.